Now, I would like to discuss something very interesting. In the last video, we saw that the missing matter in a nuclear reaction is converted into a super thin form of matter. In fact, the release of energy in a nuclear reaction is because of the change in the state of matter. That is, missing missing matter is converted into a super thin form of matter. In fact, we saw that the release of energy, in fact, the heat energy is generated because of the fast movement of the product particles and product fragments. These product fragments get their kinetic energies because of this rapid expansion or detonation of ordinary matter into this super thin form of matter. So, in fact, my studies suggest that this this release of this matter, the generation or this conversion of ordinary matter into this super thin form matter, in fact, does not generate directly, does not generate heat. The heat is produced when the high energy particles hit with the adjacent surrounding matter. That means if we can somehow avoid the particles are getting in motion, we can avoid heat energy, the generation of heat. I believe that the mass effect that is happening with the nuclear reaction or any reaction, mass effect can be converted into pure propulsion. That means mass effect can be directly used to create enormous thrust force. Perhaps UFO kind of things probably using this kind of technology. So I strongly believe that without the production of heat, mass effect can be used to make a huge amount of thrust. So it is not very near to this is not this is not going to happen in very near future, but I think there is is a very high possibility of making such technology. So I request researchers uh, to consider this possibility. Probably we will be able to make this such kind of technology for our future space exploration and space crafts. Thank you for watching. I'll come with a new video. Please watch my other videos. I have a YouTube channel, youtube.com/atom model. In that channel I explain, I publish my new theories about the about the universe. So thank you very much.